Amidst vaccine hesitancy in some sections of the population, a post based on Congress's Gaurav Panthi's tweet about an RTI response is being shared widely on social media platforms. The post claims that Bharat Biotech's Covaxin contains newborn calf serum or NBCS. An RTI petition was submitted to the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on 15th April 2021, where a person asked 12 questions, including if the vaccine manufacturing involved the use of fetal bovine serum or FBS in any form, composition, or as an ingredient. The question was about the vaccines made by Bharat Biotech and the Serum Institute of India. The response to the RTI sparked controversy around the use of NBCS, a procedure where clotted blood is extracted from young calves. Some Hindus have expressed their concern in the past over the contents of Covaxin. Let us understand what FBS is. In order to grow cells in laboratory settings for vaccine research, serum or fetal blood from calves may be used. This helps cells grow and replicate so they can be studied. This technique has been used for decades in the polio, rabies, and influenza vaccines. FBS provides all the necessary nutrients for a cell to grow outside an animal. Its successful application in cell culture has led to its widespread use in drug and vaccine manufacturing. FBS is collected by slaughtering a pregnant cow and further puncturing the heart of the fetus to collect the blood. The study on the hamster model of Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine does refer to the usage of 2% of FBS for the growth of Vero cells. However, Bharat Biotech has developed and assessed the protective efficacy and immunogenicity of an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 vaccine in rhesus macaque monkeys, which is a species that is closest to human beings. Therefore, in the finalized method, 2% of FBS was used for virus isolation, but not in the generation of Vero cells. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin does mention the use of Dalbeco's modified Eagle medium along with 5 to 10% NBCS for the revival of Vero cells. The serum is extremely rich in growth factors. The blood is collected from newborn calves within 14 days after the birth. Thus, this NBCS is not the same as the FBS that is mentioned in the RTI plea, since scientists have stopped using FBS owing to ethical concerns around the cruelty of the process. And so, even the NBCS is only used in the development of Vero cells and not in the making of the final vaccine. Additionally, given that Bharat Biotech has published the list of ingredients that have been used to make Covaxin, we can confirm that there has not been any usage of the blood serum of newborn cattle in the final vaccine. An official statement from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare also clarified that the NBCS is used only for the preparation of the Vero cell that is later completely destroyed in the process of viral growth. Therefore, the final Covaxin vaccine does not contain newborn calf serum at all. There seems to be a difference of opinion on how NBCS is extracted. There are conflicting reports on whether there is cruelty involved or not in the process of the extraction of NBCS. One report says that blood is collected from calves that are fewer than 10 days old with no mention of whether these are dead or alive at the time, and another report says blood is likely collected from a newborn calf in the form of a cardiac puncture. In any case, as NBCS is not part of the final vaccine, this post is fake. When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.